One term that is so misunderstood in the online space that many people don't even have an idea of, yet they say trash about it, is affiliate marketing. I don't know why people are scared of affiliate marketing. Some people see it as scam. Some people see affiliate marketing as a means to no end. They end up laughing at affiliate marketers that they are just exaggerating the amount they make. My dear, come closer. Affiliate marketing is as real as the air that you breathe. There is mad money. We already know that there is mad money in the online space, and one way to tap from that online money is through affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the art of you promoting a brand or a platform or a product or a service and get your own commission. How do you promote this brand, product, or services? Through a referral link. So first things first, you need to liaise with a particular platform, any platform at all, any brand at all. You need to be with them, as in partner with them, get your referral link. You could do paid partnership. Sometimes you pay to be a partner with these brands, right? Sometimes you can be partners with the brands for free. We have brands that you can, I will list them on the screen, that you can partner for free. Then if you're in Nigeria, one sweet brand you can partner with is Espania. Just like Espania is not for free. You partner with them, sign up, get your referral link, and start promoting products, and start promoting services, and start promoting brands, and get your referral bonus. You'll be sleeping and you'll be making money. This is one, affiliate marketing is one of the sweetest way of making passive income. It's one of the sweetest side hustle. Affiliate marketing is what took me from this 0.00 in my account to this over ₦1 million in 2 months. Some people are even doing it in a week. Some people are doing it in 3 weeks, in 2 weeks. As a beginner, making ₦1 million in 2 months is a sweet deal. So if you are interested in knowing how I moved from here to this side with just my phone, with small skills, small knowledge, then follow this account, like this video, share to 2 or 3 or 4 friends, then reach out to me with the number shown on my bio, or come to my DM. You understand? I will take it from there. So see you. I'm waiting for you, so I will all make mad money in this month.